Hey, this is Dave from Precision Fitness, and today we're going to talk about how to use our online training app from your phone. The Trainerize app that we use is good for the iPhone and for any Android phone you have, and so we're going to go through and see how all that works. Alright, we're going to talk about our online training app, and that is the Trainerize app here. So we're going to hit that. That's going to open up, and if it's your first time, it's going to ask you for a email or username and password, which you can create that once you download the app. It's going to open you up immediately to your dashboard, and the dashboard here can give you some pretty interesting information. Up top here, it'll show you any workouts that you've done throughout the week. Okay, down here to show you your all-time completed workouts, any cardio you've done, current weight, you can update that as often as you like. Any progress photos that you want to add in, it'll automatically activate your camera so you can take a little progress photo selfie, so to speak. Any personal best on any particular exercise, depending on the training plan that you're doing, that'll show up here. And if you get a personal best within a workout, at the end of your workout, when you save that, it's going to give you a little high five to say congratulations, you've reached whatever personal best during that workout. If you happen to do a meal plan part, that will show up in here. It'll show up with your meal plan. Down here, this bubble over here, this is the messaging app, where if you need to send your online trainer a message, it'll open up the messaging feature. It's kind of like a text feature within the app. Okay? And then you can just type that right in there, hit the little paper airplane thing, and then it goes off to your trainer. Okay, backing out of that. Okay, down here along the bottom here, you have your dashboard here, that is what we are on right now. The training plans, that's that next one. This is the part that gives you an idea of what your current training plan is. Your training plan basically is a month worth of workouts, or however long your trainer sets it up. It'll give you the name of it, how long it is, the dates, and a description of what is involved in that training plan, as well as down here, the actual workouts themselves. Okay, so I clicked Metabolic Resistance 3. This one pops up, giving you directions within for how the workout works, and then you've got what the actual exercises are. When you actually start going into the workout itself, if you have any questions or you're not sure about how to do the workout, you click the workout or click the picture there, and eventually, depending on your speed, you get a little YouTube video of how it works. So you hit that, a YouTube video will give you a description of how the exercise is done. So I'm not going to worry about that right now. Alright, if you hit start now, you will start that particular workout right then and there. But I'm also going to back out of here. Sorry, my phone's a little touchy at times. We're going to go to the calendar. Okay, so when we go to the calendar, okay, this will show you what you need to do on what particular day. So for example, Monday, February 5th, I need to do a metabolic resistance training. We'll pretend that today is February 5th. We will hit that, it will open up. Okay, and if you remember before where it showed metabolic resistance 3, it showed the directions for the workout. It'll go to that page. Okay, down here you'll see the check-in or the track button. If you hit check-in, it basically lets your trainer know that you've checked in and done the workouts, but you won't be able to post any stats. Okay, so if I hit track, it opens up another page. Okay, very similar page. The only difference now is I can add in how many reps I did, as my phone is really working well with me right now. Okay, I can add in how many reps I did. So say I did 8 reps at however many pounds I should be doing, and here it'll give you the recommendation as far as how many reps and how many pounds you should be doing for that workout. So if I say I did 55, okay, and then I can do that for any of the other exercises. So as you can see here, it's got it all set up in order. It's got the goblet squats, incline dumbbell chest press, one arm dumbbell row, single leg RDLs. You can see they all say set 1, and then planks. Okay, what that's telling you is you're to do it in a circuit, going from one to the other, and then you'll see round 2, and it starts back over. goblet squats, incline chest press, and you just follow through for however many rounds you need to do. In this case, I believe it is set up as 4. Yep, set 4. And then you get down to your next thing, which is band assisted pull-ups. Okay, bridges. It'll be the same idea. Set 1, 2, 3. Dumbbell lateral raises. You fill in all that information. You hit done when you are finished with your workout, and then you hit end. And then it'll ask you if you want to end your workout now. End that, and then it will save it. And if I have any personal bests, which we might find out, I guess I did not. So, but if you have any personal bests, you will get that once you hit that final button there. All right, and then yes, here we go. That's my little high five for my personal best. It'll say I had 1. If you had more than 1, it'll let you know how many. You can post that to your Facebook page if you want to let everyone see how well you've done. X out of that. Goes back to the calendar. All right. Another way to message your trainer if you don't want to hit the cute little bubble is the message bubble right here. Okay. You can do that, and it'll take you to the messaging format. Okay. You can send a private message, and then you can see it'll give you some updates as you go along. All right. The more button. Okay, this will be for a gym that's close by to you. If you hit the more tab over here, this is where you connect to your Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, or any other stuff, and then you can sign out if you wish. Okay, so that's how the Trainerize app works in a nutshell. Every time you open it up, it'll come to your it will come to your dash, and you can see before it said 61 completed workouts. Now I have 62. I've got my personal bests and all of that. And that how the online training app works.